Hello, Nisa Martinez, and this is the flashcard I'll be using. Okay, so I am going to go over the heart, which is what I dissected. So right here we have the anterior portion of the heart, posterior. We'll be looking at the heart as if it was placed in one's chest. So this is the left side right here, and this is the right side. I went ahead and cut it in half all the way to the apex. So I'll be opening it like this. So I am holding the posterior part of the heart. I am going to begin with the right and left atrium. So right here we have the left atrium and the right atrium. The right ventricle is this opening right here that I am touching with my finger. And the left ventricle is this part right here, the opening that I am also touching with my finger, that opening right there. We then have the mitral valve, which is also called the bicuspid valve, on the right portion of the heart. And we can see it up here, right there. It connects the right atrium and the right ventricle. So we can see that it is right there, right above the right atrium. And we can also see that we have some chordae tendineae, which are the string-like tissues. We can't see them that well over here, but we can over here. I am right there, the part that I am touching, the string-like tissues. So like I said, that is the mitral or bicuspid valve on the right side. On the left side of the heart, we have the tricuspid valve, and that is right up here where I am pointing. It's right below the chordae tendineae. And then we have the aortic and pulmonic valves. So the pulmonic is just behind here. It's kind of by the tricuspid, and the aortic valve is right here. Aortic, tricuspid. We then have the interventricular septum, which is this part right here that I'm pointing out. It's that right there. It separates the left and right ventricles. So we have the right ventricle on the left, and it is this part right here that I am with my middle finger. Separates these two ventricles. We then have the endocardium, myocardium, and epicardium. So I'm going to do it with this ventricle right here. We have the endocardium right here that I am touching, the myocardium, and the epicardium is the most superficial part. My computer is going gray. Give me 1 second. So like I said, superficial is the epi, myo is right here in the middle, and the endo is the inside right there. And then the last thing is the coronary arteries, which we can't really see them that well, but I will try my best. They're sticking out, kind of, you can see it in this light, but they are these right here. They kind of look like lines almost. Right there, and we have one running down right here. Let me see if I can find another one. There's one kind of hidden right here. But yes, that is it. That's the dissection of the heart. I am trying to pause this.